Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to turn Figma designs into live lovable pages, share portal types or embed design previews inside your site or workflow, integrating Lovable with Figma is the cleanest design to web bridge in 2026. Most problems come from using the wrong share link, restricted permissions, unpublished pages, or misunderstanding what integration actually means. We will clear all of that up. So in this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to integrate Lovable with Figma in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, understand what Figma integration really means. So Lovable doesn't automatically convert Figma designs into code. Integration usually means one of these: embed a Figma design or prototype, use Figma as a visual reference while building in Lovable, share live design previews with clients or teams, manually recreate Figma designs using Lovable blocks. Okay, so now pick what you want to do. Okay, whether embed a Figma design file, show design previews on a private page. Okay, so get the correct Figma link, open your file or prototype, click share, set access to anyone with the link can view, copy the link. Okay, and in Lovable, click add element, choose embed, paste the Figma embed iframe code to get the iframe in Figma, share, tap share and get embed code. Okay, and then tap save. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.